I hope you've probably seen those scary conjuring ghost videos on social media.
No.
Are you sure?
No! No! No!
Yeah, you're right. You definitely haven't seen this one, because I created these scenes using AI, inspired by a popular horror channel, Mr. Nightmare. This channel is insanely famous for terrifying ghost stories. Just look at their subscriber count, over 6.7 million followers. That's insane. You might be thinking, they must be earning thousands of dollars per year. Well, your guess is close, but not quite right. They're not making thousands, they're making millions just by posting scary videos. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do the same. But before we dive in, support my effort by following our social media channels, comment, like, and share for more AI content. And if you comment file, I'll send you all the video scenes along with sound effects, totally free. Now, let's jump into the AI video creation process. Step 1. Create prompts using DeepSeek. Alright, first things first, we need to create the images, and for that, we'll need prompts. Head over to DeepSeek AI using the link in the description. Once you're in, type, "Give me similar Conjuring-style ghost stories, scene by scene." Start with a haunted house in a dense forest at midnight under a full moon. In the second scene, show a Conjuring-style scary ghost with a blood-filled mouth and red eyes. Additionally, provide prompts to generate image ideas for every scene in the story. DeepSeek will provide excellent ideas for our story. Once you've got the prompts, we're ready to move on to the next steps. Step 2. Converting prompts to images. Now that our prompts are ready, it's time to create the images. For this, we'll use a tool called Fotor. You'll find a link in the description. Just click it to visit Fotor's homepage and sign up for a free account. Fotor is a powerful all-in-one AI photo editor that does much more than just generate images. It can also edit photos and even create videos. It's super easy to use, and the results are absolutely stunning. After signing in, find the AI text-to-image and click on it. This is where we'll create our images. Go back to DeepSeek, copy your first prompt, and paste it into Fotor's text box. Now comes the crucial part. To achieve that cinematic horror style, select Photorealism 4 from Fotor's style options. This will give your image a polished, horror-inspired look. Next, choose the aspect ratio and image count, then hit Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll have a stunning cinematic horror-style image. Now, let's generate another one. Copy your second prompt, paste it into the text box, and hit Generate again. And here's the result. Pretty cool, right? Once you've created all your images, it's time to download them. Simply click on each image, and you'll see the download option on the right-hand side. But here's something really exciting. If you want to make any edits or enhancements, Fotor has some fantastic tools to help you out. Let me show you a few of them. First, there's the AI Upscaler, which enhances the image quality. It sharpens your pictures and adds more detail, making them look even better. Next, there's the AI Expand feature, which lets you expand the edges of your image. This is super useful if you need a wider frame or want to adjust the composition without losing quality. But my favorite is the AI Replacer. This tool allows you to add extra details to your image. Here's how it works. Select a part of your image. Type what you want to add, let's say scary red-eyed black dog. Then, click Generate, and the AI will instantly add a dog to your image. This feature is super helpful if you forgot to include something when generating the image earlier. Now, what if there's something you don't want in your image? No problem. You can remove unwanted elements using the Magic Eraser tool. Here's how. Select the area you want to remove. Fotor will clean it up for you, just like magic. Step 3. Turn our images into videos. Now, let's bring our images to life by converting them into videos. Go back to the Fotor dashboard, switch to the video section, and select AI Video Generator. Here, you'll find two options for creating videos. You can either write a text prompt and let the AI generate a video for you, or upload an image and have the AI turn it into a video. Since we already have our images, we'll use the From Image to Video option. To get started, upload your image to the tool. Next, go back to DeepSeek and copy the description you created earlier. This description tells the AI exactly how you want the video to look. Then, select the mode and style for your video. For now, I'll leave the default style, but you can experiment with different styles later. Once everything is set, click Generate, and within seconds, your still image will transform stunning video. Repeat these steps for all your images, and once you're done, download your videos and save them to your computer. The best part is that, just like images, your videos can also be edited and enhanced in Fotor. You can remove backgrounds for a cleaner look, enhance video quality to make your video sharper, and even remove unwanted objects, just like we did with images. With these tools, you can make your videos look polished and professional in no time. Step 4. Arranging video scenes in Capcut. Go to Capcut and import all video scenes and sound effects. If you need video clips and sound effects, comment File, and I will send them to you. Once your clips are uploaded, drag and drop them onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Arrange your clips in the correct order by dragging them around. After placing the video clips, drag and drop the audio. To make the video more engaging, add transitions, video effects, and more. Once finished, click play to preview the result. If you're satisfied with the result, click export to get the final video. That's all for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, just follow us.